7 Home Remedies for Spider and Varicose Veins. 1. Blueberries. This small blue fruit promotes good blood circulation thanks to its properties as a vasodilator, strengthening the walls of your veins. Blueberries are also rich in vitamin C and flavonoids. You can eat them raw as a dessert or snack, or make a tea with a spoonful of blueberries per cup of water. Drink up to 2 cups a day. 2. Aloe Vera. This is a popular and effective remedy for people with varicose and spider veins. Slice open one of the leaves lengthwise and scrape out the gel, spreading it over areas where these veins have appeared. Some people like to mix aloe with a few tablespoons of grated carrot and apple cider vinegar to apply as an ointment. Leave it on for 20 minutes. 3. Horsetail Grass. There are many herbs that promote better circulation, helping to reduce the appearance of spider and varicose veins. One of these, Horsetail Grass, has many benefits for the veins and arteries that are worth mentioning. Consuming it can even cause varicose veins to disappear. Horsetail grass is not recommended for pregnant women, people with heart problems, or those with thrombophlebitis. 4. Marigold. Another herb that can improve your vein health is marigold flower. This plant makes your veins less susceptible to degeneration over time. A tea made with marigold flowers can repair damaged tissues, reduce swelling in the lower limbs, and alleviate pain. You can also find creams made with marigold petals, or make it yourself. How? Crush the marigold flowers and mix in some water before adding them to your regular lotion. Apply it to your skin every night before going to bed and don't rinse. 5. Essential oils. Massage is a great option for sore legs thanks to varicose veins, or to avoid problems associated with leading a sedentary lifestyle or spending a long day on your feet. You should use circular motions and start at your ankles, working up to the thighs. You can use olive oil to promote better circulation and prevent your veins from clotting. Try to warm it before you use it. 6. Cypress. The bark of the cypress tree has a variety of properties that treat circulatory disorders, including varicose and spider veins. 7. Chestnut. Chestnuts are considered to be one of the best home remedies for varicose and spider veins. They're also recommended for people who suffer from phlebitis because they stimulate good circulation. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.